transformation. Our first will look at baseline cloud-driven transformation for cash flow profit enhancement. It will kick off on Zoom, and then we will have somebody coming on stage. So first of all, I will introduce the person on Zoom, which will be Janak Bakharia, Chief Executive Officer of Expedion.
Thank you, Rob. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for attending today's session. So, construction companies face numerous challenges, primarily driven by a highly competitive, dynamic, and ever-changing environment. Customers have become extremely demanding for an on-time and on-budget performance. External pressures are constantly pushing costs upwards, and project durations are increasingly getting compressed. To cope with these challenges, digital transformation within construction has become a necessity. More and more businesses are keen to commence and progress on their digital journey. Digital transformation has much to offer through cost and time savings, efficiency, and data-driven decision-making. However, what we've observed is most businesses often struggle with getting started on this journey, and once started, to keep it sustained. At Expedion, we make this journey simple and effective using our 4-step model for digital transformation. To talk a bit about digital transformation here, I think it's important to also talk about Expedion, which is a purpose-built cloud ERP platform for the engineering and construction industry. It's a platform that's been matured over 25 plus years and now available through a cloud SaaS delivery infrastructure. And it's completely purpose-built. So the only industry it addresses is the engineering and construction industry. And it's a comprehensive solution. It takes care of every single aspect, right from the point your project inception takes place through the point that you actually execute the project, post-completion, handover, and the ongoing maintenance. So it's got the entire suite of applications to manage all of these different aspects. One of the other aspects about Expedion is the fact that it enables a complete and seamless flow of communication between project sites and corporate offices. And that's the most important aspect because that's where the work actually happens, at the project sites. The cloud delivery model has a lot of benefits. You can sign on really quickly, get onboarded really quickly, and start delivering the benefits for your organization on the earliest possible time frame. The 4-step model that we talk about first looks at engineering your processes internally, making sure that you are internally fully automated. All of the key stakeholders, all of the key employees, individuals, all of the people playing their part within a construction project are all using the system for their day-to-day business as usual transactions. And that's the most important part, because if you don't have your internal house organized, then you can't really take on the next few stages because you simply will not have the data to go with it. So in this respect, and what we're going to be talking today is a case study that is essentially an implementation that we've done with a general contractor in Saudi Arabia. And one of the primary aspects over here is the time frame within which the project was executed. And ultimately, we moved the entire organization from a manual process onto a fully digital automated platform. And all of that was done against some fairly strict time targets, and it was done successfully through teamwork and collaboration. One of the things more that I'd like to talk about in respect of Expedion is it's a global product. We've worked across multiple geographies. We've done work with extremely large enterprises. We've done work with small businesses. And the Expedion product essentially allows you to go across any scale of a business. So it doesn't really matter whether you're a small enterprise, whether you're a large enterprise. The product gives you the necessary juice to make sure that you are onboarded onto your digital journey. With that as a background, it gives me immense pleasure to share this case study with you jointly with Mr. Mohammed Saloom, who's the Chief Operating Officer of Mass Engineering and Construction, who are based in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. And Mr. Saloom will showcase how our teams partnered and implemented the Expedient Cloud ERP solution within their business, and how they transitioned to a completely digitalized operation and to achieve completely data-driven decision-making within their organization. An important aspect to consider is start to finish from a completely manual project control operation, which was, a bunch of spreadsheets pretty much being used in the organization, to a fully automated, transformed organization. This was achieved within a period of 5 months. So what Saloom will also do is share what are the results, how we went about the process, what were the results that we were actually able to achieve. And we hope that as a result of the case study that we are presenting here, we would be able to provide you guys with actionable insights in terms of how you go about the process and what you're likely to achieve at the end of it, and give you a method by which you can achieve this kind of transformation in your own organizations. So we'd be very happy to take questions and answers hereafter. But what I'll do is, without further ado, I'll hand over the floor to Mr. Saloom to present the case study from here.
And construction. It's a company established in 2018. We used to run our operations through Excel sheets and a very simple accounting system. We have faced many problems. I was unable to get any accurate information. The cost to complete, cost up to date. Our stores was out of control. Nobody knows the remaining materials. Nobody knows what do we need to request in the next day. Our payroll was full of mistakes. Our subcontractors was coming to our offices on daily basis because they were unable to get paid since their payment certificate is not yet finalized. It was a big issue. There were big issues. At the beginning of this year, I met Mr. Surendran. Thank you very much, Mr. Surendran. He introduced a software which is called Expedient. Frankly, I haven't taken much time to take a decision to sign the contract agreement with Mr. Surendran when I came to know about its benefits. Immediately after signing the contract agreements, we started the digital transformation journey, which is mainly divided into two stages, which is the automation and then optimization. In the automation, every transaction, all the transactions of the company were done through the system itself. And we have formed an approval system. So if the site team would like to request a material, the storekeeper raises a BR, then this BR goes to the quantity surveyor, from the quantity surveyor to the cost control engineer, then to the project manager. And here, the project manager, the site team job is over. It goes directly to the head office. The head office, this BR goes to the control department manager, then to the operations manager, then it goes to the procurement department. In the procurement department, they have to start a new process now to issue the BO. As you can see, the gap between the site team and the head office is filled because of this automation. In the optimization, we have designed the dashboard and the reports which we are willing to get from the system, just like but not limited to cost to complete, cost up to date, revenue, profit. All these reports were designed. Of course, these reports are real-time reports. So today's report is different than yesterday's report, and it's different than tomorrow's report. It's a real-time. You can access to these reports by one click from anywhere, while laying at your bed, at your home, while you are at your office, while flying to worldwide. You don't have to be worried. Everything is connected through the system. Of course, still we have to go through 2 more stages. We are willing to bring our subcontractors and vendors to our system to streamline the e-quoting and e-trading. Still also, we need to integrate our system with the BIM models. We need to get benefit from the artificial intelligence, drones, in order to get a full digital transformation journey. As you can see in this slide, Expedion is a fully integrated system. It integrates the processes between the site and the head office. So in the site, there is BRs. They control the inventory, plant, subcontractors, staff, laborers, attendance. And in the head office, they control the budget, accounting, contracts, procurement, subcontractors, HR, and payroll. Through this integration, we get our dashboard, our cost control reports. The implementation of this process hasn't taken much time. It was only 5.5 months, 4 months for the automation and 1.5 months for the optimization. It was a very short period. The implementation result was really great. As a CEO of this company, now I feel that the company is grabbed between my hands. I can access to any information from any place. I can know the cost of any project at any time. I can know the inventory, the stock inventory in any projects in Jizan, in Riyadh, in Dammam, from any place. Thank you very much, Mr. Surendran. Thank you very much. Thanks for Expedion. It was a great transformation journey. Thank you very much, guys.